So this is my rather expensive mistake I've recently made that can hopefully save someone from making the same mistake. And it relates to that ozone generator, the orange thing here. You plug it in, fires out ozone, which can remove odours, kill bacteria and viruses. And I've used it in our chicken pen because obviously when you're mucking them out, there's a bit of a smell of farmyard, shall we say. And you can get rid of the smell entirely. Lock the ozone generator in there for an hour, let it air out afterwards. Bacteria's gone, smell's gone, works great. I used it in this garage because I painted the garage floor this nice sort of resiny blue garage paint, but it stank of fumes for like weeks and weeks, and it had actually affected a little bit of food in this fridge freezer that we weren't able to eat some of it, so I had to throw a bit of food away. My wife said, rightly so, we're not going to restock the fridge freezer till the smell's gone, so I needed to accelerate that. So I got the ozone generator out, left it on for a weekend, did the job, everything was great. No smell in here, restocked the fridge freezer, no problem at all. The problem that I noticed today when I came to wash these bikes, and that was that the ozone has attacked the rubber in the tyres and absolutely like messed up the tyres. It's unrideable. Slashes on, it looks like there's been a machete attack on both my bikes. I think this one's worse at the back. In fact, yeah, terrible. Just like unrideable. And unfortunately, these tyres aren't that old. They're actually not bad at all. So I'm gonna have to get 4 new tyres. It's like flatten the tyres on the push bike. Basically anything with something called carbon black, which I didn't know what that was, has been affected. So after Googling it, reading it, understanding a bit more about it, carbon black, the like carbony resin they pop into tyres, is very badly affected by ozone. So you live and learn, but this is going to cost me, I reckon, 400 quid plus fitting, which I won't do myself. So the painful taking a bike there and then someone else meeting you to take you back, but they've got to carry the tyres because I'll just get them delivered here and all of that. So yeah, they're rather expensive. Mistake. The funny thing was as well, when I popped the pressure washer on, it was leaking all over because there's some O-rings that clearly have carbon black as well. So it was leaking around the handle and I had to replace these with some O-rings I had. But yeah, what a painful day.